Welcome to Mandala Art. Today we are making the over the rainbow wall art, so let's get started. Begin by placing and gluing the blue blocks around the top edge of the base. Then continue to glue the blocks from green all the way down to red. You'll find it easier to place the glue onto the base and then lay down your blocks instead of putting glue on the blocks themselves. Next, we're going to glue down the two round mirrors at each end of the rainbow. So just placing a little strip of glue and then gently putting the two mirrors in place and then gluing the third mirror on top. Repeat for both sides. Leave for an hour to dry and then you can enjoy your beautiful over the rainbow wall art. If you'd like to purchase this kit, click the link in the description below. And if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like and subscribe for more Mandala Art Mosaic content and to check out the other kits in our DIY Mosaic kit range.